So here they are, finally. The charging dock and the PlayStation Move controller. Been waiting for it since, what, 2 weeks?
Yes.
Evet, yes. Alright, let's see what do we have in this. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Just one more thing to note, this does not come from PlayStation directly or Sony directly. This is from Power A, which is a third party. So let's see how it looks like and how it functions. Okay, so this is how the charging dock looks like. We get a standard PS4 charging dock user manual. Then, who uses this kind of chargers anymore? It's not coming out, sorry. So this is how the charging dock looks like. Nothing fancy, good sturdy quality. And the charger. This is the UK Ireland version. Very simple. There's nothing to kind of show you how to do this. Just plugging the adapter into the charging dock. Charge your docks, charge your PlayStation Move. And yeah, you're good to go. Alright, so these are the Move controllers. This is how they come straight out of the pack. Just the same user manual with 2 Move controllers, very well packed, and with safety grips for both of them. Alright, so this is how the Move controller looks. It has its standard buttons over here. On the side there is select, there is the trigger, and a start and pause button. And you get the grip holder, and it's very simple. You just kind of put it in from here and then pull it out and it should do the trick. Yep, looks solid, nothing fancy so far. Let's plug it in and see how it goes. Alright, so I have plugged in my PS controller into the PS charging dock. So the important bit to know is like it won't go in with the strap on because it has no way to kind of accommodate the strap. So make sure that you remove the strap. And then another tip is it kind of is hard to put in and out, so make sure that you press in for the first time at least. Now when I did the second time, it went in pretty easy, but the first time it took some time. So don't worry, just push it in hard and it should be good. Looks pretty neat. You should hear a proper click when you kind of punch the controllers in the charging dock. So don't kind of be scared to kind of push it in hard. I was a bit worried, but it worked out pretty fine. So it looks fine, looks good. Easy wireless charging, so happy about it all the time.